Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this fantastic Volkswagen T6.1 factory built by Volkswagen California Ocean. So it's very high specification. So we'll start with the registration, which is Sierra Victor 21 Romeo Victor Mike. So first option, which I'm going to show to you now, is fully electronic roof, which you can see raising now. Very rare and desirable option as well. It's got the red roof, factory ordered. Looks fab when it's up. Goes really nice with the metallic grey paintwork. So we'll just watch that rising now. So that's risen and lowered simply by just pushing a button. There we go, roof is already up. Takes a lot of faff and hassle out of manoeuvring roofs. So there we go, that's the first option. As we just saw then, the lights just turned off as we just took the key out. We've got day running LEDs as well on the front. We have front parking sensors with front fog lights as well. Fantastic set of alloy wheels, 18 inches. Again, these are a factory upgrade. Very desirable with nice gloss black accents. So the van is now set up into what we refer to at Raylands as day mode. So as we just seen, the roof is being put up, the awning is out, our table and chairs are all set up. So let's take a closer look. So as I said, table and chairs are out. That table in fact goes away inside the sliding door, which I'll show you shortly. And those chairs fold away inside the tailgate. We also have 2 remote keys. We've got our 2 water keys. And we also have the remote control for our night heater, so we can turn the heater on from outside the van. We also have as an optional extra as well, we've got the chrome pack running down the sides. Again, this is another option. Fully electronic door. Just opens when you just simply open the door handle. So as we can see, our twin captain seats are turned around. We also have another option there, the wood effect flooring, which is a personal favourite of mine. We've got ISOFIX to the rear. As I said, twin captain seats. We also got an interior table which is set up. That in fact folds away and goes down the side of that seat there. Here I'm just going to quickly show you underneath the glass tops. So we've got our sink because we've got an onboard water tank. We also got twin gas hob stove there. And we've got a fridge on board as well, nice and deep with the basket as well. Just close those now. Just show you from the seat the other side. So you can see we've got ambient lighting as well. And on the end there you can see we have a 240 volt 3-pin socket, 2 USB sockets as well. And just to show you the seats from the other side. All in fantastic order, nice and clean. And just at the top there we can see our secondary sleeping area as well, which also has the LED lights. That simply pops up, which I'll just show you now. So there we go, that's all easy, just pull up and down on the gas struts. So we're going to get the downstairs set up now for sleeping. So let's take a look around the rear. First thing we see is the tow bar there. Again, the lovely option to have, detachable as well, with reverse camera and reverse parking sensors, which we can see there. I'll show you that operational later in the video when I'm in the front of the cab. Looking down the sides, fantastic coachwork there, nice reflections of the paintwork, nice ocean decal there. We also have our lockable water tank area, and also here is where we hook up for our 240 volt electric supply. As I said, 18-inch alloy wheels, absolutely stunning to look at. Again, finished off with that nice chrome pack detailing down the sides. Again to the front there, completely unmarked those wheels. It's worth mentioning as well, as I showed you, that roof is absolutely fantastic in the red, very rare factory option. No rips, nor snags, nor tears. So I do believe we're already set up. So let's take a quick look in the rear. So it shows how quickly that can be done. The blinds are down. You can also see here we've got a nice mirror inside the wardrobe area there. We also have another option as well, a comfort mattress. Makes a huge difference. I find it really, as I said, comfortable when it's on there. So let's just shut that sliding door again, just to show you that they're operational. Fully electronic. I'll just grab the keys and we'll jump in the front. So this van has done in total 29,414 miles. So not high mileage. So the little warning you can hear there is on our onboard computer, just to remind us that our roof is still open and not to drive away. While we're there, I'll just show you our onboard management system. So you can see there the battery is charging. We've got all our controls, so we've got a refrigerator box. This is where we go and change our roof for opening and closing. Our auxiliary heater, which we can do, remember, by the remote I showed you earlier, or of course by pushing that button. We can increase the charging levels. We can go in and see our level as well of our van, for if we want to put it perfectly flat on campsite. So we can operate that electronic door as well, also on the dash as well as on the keys. The all-important DSG gearbox, nice and smooth. Front heated seats, 3 stages. Air conditioning. We also have full digital dash, where we have satellite navigation. We can go and see various stats here on our car. We can go in and connect to media connectivity, so we can play music for our phone. Obviously we can take hands-free calls as well. And final feature, I'm just going to select reverse a second to show you that, the reverse camera. And also we have here a visual aid for the front and rear for the parking sensors. As I said, fully digital dash. Cruise control, which is also adaptive cruise as well. We also have the added option of blind spot monitoring, which you can see there, that will indicate there on the mirror by flashing. Automatic lights, electric windows with electric heated and folding mirrors. I do believe I've covered it all there. I've driven a van myself, drives absolutely superb. So let's just jump out. We also have there the Volkswagen California rubber matting as well. You also may have noticed throughout the video the large AA flag they're flying. That's because we're proud to say we're AA Cars Standards Dealer Promise dealers. So this vehicle comes with a complimentary 12-month AA breakdown cover.